Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Artist GK, coming to you live from Swastik Tattoo Studio. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the process and the deep spiritual meaning behind this latest piece. When it comes to fine line work, precision is everything. For this specific session, I decided to go with a single 3-round liner 3RL cartridge. Using just one needle allows for that delicate, etched look that makes the details really pop against the skin. I fueled this piece with dynamic black ink, which is my go-to for ensuring those lines stay crisp and dark long after the healing process. We managed to wrap this entire design in just 80 minutes, a smooth, efficient session with a result that speaks for itself. The Buddha and the Lotus. Let's dive into what this tattoo actually represents. At the heart of the design, we have the Buddha. He represents peace, enlightenment, and a calm mind amidst the chaos of the world. Notice the closed eyes. This signifies looking inward to find your own truth. Right below the Buddha, you'll see the lotus flower. In tattoo culture, the lotus is incredibly powerful because it grows in muddy water but rises above the surface to bloom perfectly clean. It's a reminder that no matter where you start or what struggles you face, you have the potential to rise above and find your own beauty. Surrounding the Buddha are 2 koi fish, flowing in a circular motion. This is a nod to the concept of yin and yang, balance. In Eastern tradition, koi are symbols of perseverance and strength. They are known for swimming upstream, showing that the wearer has the courage to overcome obstacles. By placing them in a circle around the Buddha, we are illustrating the circle of life and the constant flow of energy. The fine line water droplets and movement lines created with that 3RL needle add a sense of fluid motion, making it feel like the design is alive on the arm. This piece is a perfect example of how less is more. You don't need heavy shading to tell a heavy story. Clean lines, intentional spacing, and the right symbolism can create a masterpiece that lasts a lifetime. If you're looking for more inspiration or want to see more fine liner tattoo ideas like this one, make sure you hit that join button. Subscribe to our channel, Tattoo 18, for behind-the-scenes looks at my techniques, equipment reviews, and more daily tattoo art. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you at the next session here at Swastik Tattoo Studio. This is Artist GK, signing off.